Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to share with you 4 awareness niches that are going to start to be trending in the month of October. Today is September 1st, so I thought this would be a good day to make this video. But before I get into the 4 awareness niches, I want to go ahead and share with you my 2 courses that I have on Gumroad. One is a Merch by Amazon class, a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. It's only $19.99. You get 16 lessons, and it comes with over an hour of content. I also have one on Redbubble. So right here you can see it's pretty much the same thing. But for Redbubble, $19.99. This one comes with 20 lessons, and it also has an hour of content. Here are my credentials for merch. You're going to see I have over 10,000 sales, over 35,000 in revenue. And for Redbubble, the last few months I did 266, 317, and 248. So these courses are more for like beginners. So if you're a beginner on merch or beginner on Redbubble, or you're just struggling to get sales, you might want to consider taking a look at these courses. Also, I've been getting a lot of people in the comments saying, how do you find these trending niches that you keep making these videos on? Well, in the courses, I show you how. So if you want to find out, you can take a look at the course and you can learn that way. But let's get into the content and into the 4 awareness niches. So these niches, most of them you probably even haven't heard about them, or at least some of them. They're very low in competition, and the first one is Rett syndrome. So if we look at this niche right here, we're going to see there's only 122 results. Now for me, the BSRs aren't working, but in experience, I know I've sold designs in this niche before. You see they have reviews, so this niche does sell. If we go to this web page right here, we're going to see that right here, Awareness Month for October 2022. Right here, you're going to see Rett syndrome. All right, so this is a really good niche because it's low in competition. Barely anybody even knows about it. I know when I first saw it, I hadn't heard about it. And again, if you take a look at the competition on all the platforms, all the POD platforms, you're going to see that it's also very low in competition as well. And then the next one that I have for you guys is cerebral palsy awareness. If we go back to this page right here, we're going to see that it is actually World Celebrity Palsy Day on October 5th. The competition for this one is also low, 347, so a little more than the last one, but still very low. And again, it's low on all the platforms. If we take a look at the third one, this one is actually for pregnancy, infant loss, or miscarriage loss. So this is for women who have had a miscarriage and they've lost their child or their baby, their infant, and they want to get a t-shirt in memory of that. The colors for this awareness niche is blue and red or pink. I know I've done well in this niche right here, especially using like the baby feet like this. I have a couple designs like this that have done well. And if we go back to this page, we're going to see that, if I can find it right here, Baby Loss Awareness Week for October 9th to October 15th. All right, and then we go to the last one. Now this one is probably the one where I've had the most success in, and this is in the Down syndrome niche. You see 553 results. If we go back to this page right here, you're going to see that it's Down Syndrome Awareness Month in October. And the competition is low. It's low on pretty much all the platforms, like I've been saying. And if you go to Vexels, you can just type in like cancer ribbon, and you can get some ideas. I actually have been selling some breast cancer shirts with this design right here. But you can come in here, you can get some good clip art. I have an affiliate link in the description, so if you're interested, you can check that out. But these are the 4 niches that are going to be, or some of them, are the ones that, in my opinion, are the best. These are the ones that I have experience with. I've sold in all of these niches right here, and I really like them because they're low in competition. Not too many people know about them. Maybe the Down syndrome one, but the Rett syndrome, the miscarriage one, those ones not too many people know about. So you can get your designs up, and you can hopefully get some sales. All right, so that's going to be the video for today. Remember, if you want to take a look at my 2 courses, the links will be in the description. I'll also have a pinned comment. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I'm putting out videos almost on a daily basis of trending designs and just niche ideas for you to make designs and to hopefully get some sales on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. So like I said, if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, click the bell, and check out my my channel, check out my other videos. I have a video that's actually starting to kind of blow up right now. It's like a couple days old, so take a look. It has like the most views, so if you're interested, take a look, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.